So hey guys, today we have Mivi Collar Classic wireless earphones, and we will test. Let's see how it is. And the earphones are magnetic. Mivi Collar Classic has Bluetooth version 5.0, and the Bluetooth range is up to 10 meters. The build quality is not that great, but it is good. It is not bad though, but the sound quality is impressive, I will say that. And if you want to charge it fully, it will charge in 35 to 40 minutes. It can go a long way in only 10 minutes of charging. If you want to buy this, I'll give a link in the description box. I bought it for rupees 999 from Flipkart. Thank you for watching.